Well, I think that the Yorkshire economy at the minute in time is pretty strong. I think it's healthy. Over the last 7, 8 months, we've seen a real expansion and a change in the mood. We've invested everything from £15,000 up to over £1 million. So it really is a pretty big area that we are covering in terms of finance. But the interesting thing, what we're doing is that we're investing in that gap. The finance that companies can't find from any other sources. Finance Yorkshire so far has invested £56 million into companies in Yorkshire and Humber. We have another £30 million that we're going to invest over the next 14, 15 months. Applications are up, inquiries are up. We're seeing a strong demand for our finance at the minute in time. We've got, I think, a very good portfolio on our equity linked and on our debt finance or business loans product. I think we've got a very exciting portfolio in our seed corn fund, which is really exciting for us for the future. A lot of times, if we didn't take that investment, companies wouldn't be able to do what it is that they're attempting to do, realising their ambition, either in terms of capital expansion or in terms of new products or new markets or a combination of all of those. But we are pretty flexible in terms of what we can provide out there in the marketplace. For the future, and where I see ourselves, is that we'll remain in that position of filling the gap finance. So we'll work with others, we'll co-invest with others, angels, crowdfunding, banks, other sources of finance. We will always work alongside them. We won't compete, that's not what we're about, but we're going to fill that gap in finance. And that's where I think that working with intermediaries and other finance providers, we've got a strong position to fulfil, not just now, but in the next 5, 10 years in Yorkshire.